POC Network here with another unboxing, this time once again coming from the company Tribit, and we have a new pair of headphones here. This is their QuietPlus. This is an active noise canceling, or ANC, wireless headphones model from them that's just recently came out, and it's a Bluetooth 5.0 pair of headphones. It supports all your, the profiles you want. You have your A2DP, you have AV, looks like little hairs or something here, AV RCP, HFP, HSP. I'm not going to go into a complete definition of each abbreviation. You can look that up if you like, or we might have some links below. But Qualcomm, you have the codecs of Qualcomm, aptic X, of course, AAC and SBC. So you have your typical codec supported, and then some, and Bluetooth 5.0. So you're going to have really good battery life out of this, hopefully. And actually, I'm looking at this right here. Playtime was up to 30 hours. A charging time of 3 hours, and yeah, it's a pair of headphones. So what we're going to do today, we're going to open this box up. We're going to see what's in the inside, and then show you what it looks like and everything. And then you can go to POCnetwork.net, where we're going to have a whole story about this later on, letting you know what we think about them. So opening up the box, we get to see this wonderful hard shell case, or semi-hard shell, but mostly hard shell case here to protect the headphones with. This actually looks and feels really nice. It's a nice smooth texture to it. And looking at the headphones, they're placed in here. They kind of fold up really well here, almost as good as a pair of Bose almost. They don't flip around, that's the only catch. You have a familiar design to these, but the foam seems to be really comfy. The foam on the actual muffs themselves, this foam's a little stiff, so this is going to be a pair of headphones that you're going to want to let break in around your ears for a little while before you get a full idea what they're going to feel like for long-term use. But the headband is super soft, so that's really nice. We can see holes here for active noise canceling and environmental noise so they can hear, and then you have a microphone here for your mouth, so that way people can hear you if you want to take a call with this. We have the letter designators right inside of the cups here, so you know what's left and what's right. We have all your controls on the right side. We have noise canceling, which is a switch. It just switches on and off. We have some volume up and down. And we have a power button in the middle. We have a USB Type-C input right here on the side for charging the headphones with. And that's it. They're actually pretty simple and straight to the point. Additionally, inside of the box, or at least the case here, we have a Tribit QuietPlus active noise canceling wireless headphones model BTH100 user manual. So in case you have any questions about how any of this works. And then we have the USB-C cable for charging them with that it comes with in a decent size. And a 3.5 millimeter, the 3.5 millimeter, which means I completely missed one. Oops, we have a 3.5 millimeter input right here. So that way you can take this wired or wireless, up to you. But let's see what it feels like on the ears. So despite the muffs being a little bit stiff, it doesn't feel too bad. You can definitely tell, probably after some long-term use, you are going to want to, like I said, break them in, because you can tell that it's stiff in the very beginning. It's comfortable at the moment. I don't feel any discomfort at all, but probably within a couple hours usage, you're going to start to feel a little bit of pressure here, probably. But after, I'd say, I don't know, a good amount of hours of use, probably, usually we look at about like 10, 12 hours worth of use. You get to see things like the pads start to really break in, and then you start to experience a lot less of that, because they're nice and soft and they form to you. But again, QuietPlus by Tribit, they're noise canceling, active noise canceling ANC headphones. We'll have links in the description below where you can find these, and we'll probably have a full story about this later on at POCnetwork.net. So, and we will have a full story at POCnetwork.net where we're going to go over everything we do or do not like about these headphones. We'll let you know what we think. So again, POCnetwork.net. And don't forget to use the subscription button below so you can follow us and see all this wonderful stuff that we have to offer from the past and for the future that's to come. And the comment section below so we can all talk about this in case you have a pair of these yourself and you want to share your own opinions and or how excited you are to maybe give them a try in the near future. And as always, we thank you for watching, and we'll catch you next time. If you want to stay on top of all the latest and greatest, and or at least the gadgets we cover, remember to subscribe right here. Subscription button. Click it. You're going to want to. There's lots of videos, interviews, previews, all sorts of stuff. Button. Click it.